other things out. Watch me run by one.
Hi there. My name is Buttercup. I'm 13 years old and I'm addicted to popcorn. I've been addicted to popcorn since I was like about 9 or 10 years old. But I've always loved eating it since I was like a baby. And popcorn is my life, and I don't really eat anything but popcorn, so yeah. I remember the time when I tried different kinds of popcorn. So this one is like all butter, and then this one is salt. And then I tried plain, and then one time I even got in the popcorn eating contest. People judge me on my popcorn, and I don't know why. Popcorn party, popcorn party, party of popcorn, popcorn, popcorn. Everybody loves popcorn. Okay. Hello everybody, I am back and I would like to announce that Popcorn Land is officially a land. So first, just take my popcorn and go over here. And you see I just have a little tiny sign just so people know where they are. And then we're going to show you that there's so many uses for your popcorn. Ow. And you can put salt on them, you can eat them. You can even throw them in your pool. And then we're going to add some popcorn machines and some popcorn balloons. This place is going to be perfect. And then in here, we're going to show you that you can eat popcorn while you're watching TV. And that you never, ever should go to sleep without some salt or some popcorn. So popcorn is a land, and it's now a thing. And I'm okay. So yeah, so this is my popcorn land, and nobody's gonna take it away from me. I cannot believe that Emerald got sick and couldn't come today. I know, she's gonna miss out on the best experience ever. Woohoo! Emily, come back here. We don't run off. Okay. Just wait until we'll tell all our friends that this place is a complete dump. Why did I come here now? Ew, this place is disgusting, Dad. I don't want to stay here. Honey. Hey, look, there's a pool. Pool. Oh my, this is not gonna go well. Welcome to Popcorn Land. My name's Buttercup, and we're gonna teach you how popcorn is the way to go. You knocked me over. Oh, sorry. Anyway, oh, you're just adorable. Okay, so now we're gonna start the tour. So over here, out of my way. Okay, come here. So this is Fluttershy in here. Oops, sorry again. Anyway, she is showing us how to watch TV and how you have to eat popcorn while you're doing it. And up here, how many of you sleep with one of these things? Me, and me. I do. Well, you don't sleep with these anymore.
Bridget?
What do we sleep with? Salt. So in the middle of the night, if you're hungry, you can just go like, or even better, sleep with a bowl of popcorn so you can eat it while you sleep. This is the worst trip ever. And then it was like, and then we found out that popcorn was the thing. Emerald! Ah! We love you! Oh my gosh. I have to get out of here. Okay. Hold on. Oh, where can I get a signal on my phone? over here. I'm here! I got your message! Me too! What's going on? What is it? Popcorn! And then I figured out popcorn is going to be the only thing to eat. So the police shut down Popcorn Land! I can't believe they would do such a thing. So awful. I love all types of popcorn. Microwave, and I also love buttery and salty. And yeah, I just eat all the popcorn. My favorite place to go is the movie theater because I can just buy as much popcorn as I want. And people leave some on the floor for me. It's practically like they're giving me a present. And oh my gosh. Yes. I'm just so loving my popcorn. I eat all the popcorn, and it's kind of the only thing I eat, but it's so good. So that's why I'm always at the movie theaters just eating all the popcorn. Hi everyone, it's me, Maddie from Addicted to Valentine's Day. Do you remember me? So yeah, Buttercup's my friend, and I invite her over all the time for Valentine's Day parties, and she told me that her true Valentine was popcorn. Like, who does that? It's impossible to have a sleepover with Buttercup because she just takes all of the popcorn and doesn't leave any for the rest of us. Hey guys, I'm here. Do you guys want to watch a movie? Yeah, sure. Okay, just do whatever you want. Buttercup, I want some too. This is my house. No, it's mine. I honestly don't know what to think of my daughter. I mean, she's crazy. Popcorn? That's not the only thing you can eat around here. And she'll eat it even if it's dirty, but I guess it's not unhealthy. So if I was to pick any food she would eat, I guess it'd be popcorn. But come on, you need other food too. Yeah, no one likes popcorn more than me. But this girl's insane. She really wants to meet me, but she just doesn't understand. So I stay away from Buttercup. Hi, I'm Poppycorn, and I'm a Shopkin, so no one loves more popcorn. And I love Buttercup. She's one of my best friends, but Pop, who does that? She is so addicted to popcorn, and she likes to eat me. I mean, of course, I'm a Shopkin, so it can't hurt me, but I think she's crazy. I'm kind of scared of that kitty. Buttery popcorn, salty popcorn. Oh, it's so good. A little burnt, but that's okay. That popcorn's burned to a crisp. Good night. Oh, popcorn. Makeup. That is way too big. Oh my gosh, yes, Thanksgiving, and here in Canada, we have that before Halloween, so this just means just a few more weeks until I can go to people's houses and demand for popcorn. Wow, this looks delicious. So healthy and good. Hey! Oh man, you got cake. What did you just say to me? There's cake on the table, and I'm going to eat it. What? Anyway, move. Buttercup dear, I'm so happy you could come. Now dig in, we got so much food. No thanks, I'll just eat what I have. Why does she only eat popcorn? She doesn't even eat this food. You're just sitting there with your own popcorn, not even eating our food. It's good, but it's not. I'm taking my popcorn. I got all the popcorn at the store. Oh, you may not think that looks like much, though. Yeah, okay, this is the 30th one for the truck. Ugh. But that's so much. Thanks. Oh my dog, yes, it's been a year since I've seen you. I know our yearly movie night, the only night we eat anything weird. Let's go ask where the popcorn is. Do you have any popcorn? No, sorry, the last girl bought all of it. What? Oh, I love popcorn. I'm going shopping for more popcorn, so yeah, bye. I just need to say goodbye. So yeah, my name is Buttercup and I'm addicted to popcorn and I love it so much. Yeah, it's the only thing you should ever eat. So thanks for watching. Bye.